Hello friends, me again, Jean-Paul Blommaert, same day, beautiful weather, still a lot windy so it's a little bit noisy, but in this video I want to make something clear. I don't know if you watched the movie The Secret, that you can attract everything in your life that you really want, you know, like chasing down your desires, dreams and goals. Yeah, it can be true, but maybe what they didn't say is that you first need to sacrifice. You first need to sacrifice to develop value. I mean value as a person, to create your personality. You know, you can read all the books, you can get all the information on the internet, you can get studies, you can get to the university, whatever. This doesn't bring any experience. It brings knowledge, but not experience. To get that experience, you must sacrifice. You know, if you have a really true desire to achieve something, to reach your goal, good, you will get it, maybe you will get it, because it's like, yeah, in The Secret it was a lot about the universe, you know, that you can get anything out of the universe, you know, that everything is energy, and also material stuff is all like energy, and that you can attract. But to let it work for you, you must give first your energy to it. First your own energy. How are you going to deal with your emotions when something goes wrong? For example, you get bankrupt with your business, or you will lose your house, or you get homeless, or you will lose the person that you really loved. Okay, it's a painful process, but something is given to you. It's like you get in the process that something is working, you know? Experience is coming to you, and this makes your personality. It is creating your value, you know, because when you want to get something, you want to attract people with wealth, for example, who are going to teach you how they did it, you know, who are going to teach you their experience. For business, for example, you know, you first must offer them something, you know, you must be like on the same level. To get on this level, you must experience, you know, what your thoughts, your emotions, your knowledge, your sacrifice, your all those kind of things, you know, before you get on this level. And then you are going to attract those people. Before you will not attract anything, you must first sacrifice. For example, another example, you want to find your soulmate, you know, you are going to make a list, she or he must have this, blah 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 blah. Okay, good. Maybe you will get him or her. The most important is first look into yourself. What can you bring to that person to make the person happy? To give what she or he truly desires. You know? And ask to him or her what she really wants. Who is he? Or him? What are him or his wishes or desires? You know? So you can interact. And it's all about it. If you want to make a business deal, if you want to make a good sale, it's also like that, you know. Ask them what they want before you put yourself in the market or your product or your service. Make your offer, you know, because you must interact on that. So yeah, this is a question for you today. What do you have to offer with your value? What do you have to give to your partner, your relationship, your friends, your soulmate, your business partner before you can do business? You know, because I can say I need many people to build my organization. Okay, but I only want to work with people who are at the same level with me, who know where I'm talking about, and that I know where they are talking about, that they have their experience, that they sacrifice their things before they can achieve. You know, when you know where I'm talking about, well, you know where to find me. At Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, MySpace, and let's share our thoughts about sacrificing things, get life experience, to deal with bad emotions, to deal with bad luck, to get again with nothing, and what it all brings to you. And maybe we can share great thoughts. Okay, thank you for watching and